Welcome to a journey where imagination meets innovation as we explore the transformative world of resilient and sustainable design. Resilient design refers to the intentional planning and designing of buildings, landscapes, communities, and regions in order to respond to natural and man-made disasters and disturbances, as well as long-term changes resulting from climate change, such as sea level rise, increased frequency of heat waves, and more severe storms. In our rapidly changing world, the impacts of climate change are increasingly visible and devastating. Overflowing rivers, scorching heat waves, and extreme weather are not just future forecasts. They are our present reality, but every challenge brings opportunities for innovation, especially in building design. Let's meet Alex, an architect who's at the forefront of this transformation, with a keen eye on the latest climate data. Alex understands that building design must evolve to withstand these new environmental extremes. By analyzing trends in flooding, hurricanes, and heat waves, Alex and colleagues are gathering crucial insights. Analysis of current building designs. His goal is to understand how these structures can be adapted or reimagined to withstand the growing challenges posed by environmental extremes. Alex begins by examining a range of existing buildings, from residential homes to large commercial complexes. Materials used, detroitity elements, materials used, structural layouts, and the integration of buildings with their surrounding environment. His focus is on identifying the strengths and weaknesses of these designs in the context of climate resilience. Alex delves into the systemic factors shaping our built environment. He navigates the complex web of urban planning, building regulations, and environmental policies. Alex engages with a diverse group of urban planners, policymakers, and environmental experts. First, the self-adaptive climate skyscrapers. These skyscrapers are equipped with smart exteriors that can adapt to changing weather conditions. The building skin is made of advanced materials that respond to temperature fluctuations, sunlight, and wind patterns, automatically adjusting to optimize internal temperature and energy use. The design minimizes the need for heating and cooling, strictly reducing the building's carbon footprint. In hot climates, the exterior reflects sunlight, while in colder environments, it captures and retains heat. Second, flood-resilient floating communities. In response to rising sea levels, these communities are built on large, buoyant platforms that rise and fall with the water level. The platforms are anchored to the seabed and connected to the mainland with flexible infrastructure. These communities are designed to be fully self-sufficient, with integrated systems for water purification, waste management, and food production. They provide a sustainable living solution for areas where traditional land-based construction is no longer viable due to flooding. Third, carbon-absorbing urban forest tower. These high-rise towers are covered in a dense layer of vegetation and bioengineered plants designed to absorb carbon dioxide and pollutants from the air. The buildings also incorporate vertical gardens and green spaces for residents. Energy-generating glass domes. These domed structures are made from advanced photovoltaic glass that captures solar energy while allowing natural light to penetrate. The domes can be used for residential, commercial, or community spaces, creating a self-sustaining energy loop. The energy-generating domes provide a renewable energy source, reducing dependency on fossil fuels. They can be integrated into existing buildings or used to create new, energy-positive communities. In our quest for a sustainable future, we envision our buildings as trees deeply rooted in resilience. We weave the architectural fabric of our cities as carefully as the Earth's protective skin, and with every design, we plant seeds of hope, cultivating a legacy of resilience for generations to come. First, buildings as trees. In this metaphor, buildings are likened to trees. Just as trees adapt to their environment, provide oxygen, and support ecosystems, buildings designed by Alex are envisioned to be adaptive to climate changes, support sustainable living, and contribute positively to the environment. This metaphor emphasizes the idea of buildings being living, breathing entities that coexist harmoniously with nature. Second, architectural fabric as earth skin. Here, the external surfaces of buildings and urban landscapes are compared to the skin of the earth. This metaphor suggests that just as the skin protects and regulates, the architectural fabric of our cities should protect inhabitants from environmental extremes and help regulate the urban climate, much like skin does for the body. It underscores the concept of urban design. Future resilient building as planting seeds. This metaphor equates the act of designing resilient and sustainable buildings with planting seeds for the future, just as planting seeds leads to the growth of new life and the sustenance of future generations. Designing with foresight and responsibility sows the seeds for a healthier, more resilient world. It highlights the long-term impact and legacy of thoughtful. As we turn the page on this chapter of innovation and resilience, we extend our heartfelt thanks for joining us on this journey, and together we look forward to building a sustainable and harmonious future for all. Thank you.